So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. Okay, now let's move on to the next video topic, which is Uber launches bonuses for drivers. Woo! Look at that. Boomer McGinnis says Charlotte. Get it? L-I-T.
Yeah.
Always have a surge party. Look at that.
Wow, 925.
Where?
Right where your mouse is.
Oh, wow. Yeah, 925 bonus, guys. That's pretty crazy.
Mm-hmm.
I actually just heard about somebody who had like a $60 surge.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, $60 surge. Somebody said, oh, mine was $50 surge. So comment below, is he? Are you yawning in the middle of our show? This is exciting stuff.
I'm excited.
But yeah, so a lot of drivers are saying that despite this, then other people are saying too that a lot of times they'll do this just for new drivers. And then afterwards they'll once you're like roped into the system, they stop sending you this stuff.
Is that the theory?
That's the theory. Because look at Stephanie Hatcher. You want to read what she said?
She said, just out of curiosity, what are all the cities you drive in and on which platform? I see you in a few different areas and I'm trying to figure out how to navigate different cities myself. I live close to a few of them.
Yeah, so you can drive in different cities.
Yeah, like you want to probably go to the busier ones.
There's a lot of people who they go to Coachella, like they'll literally drive to Coachella and stay there for like a few days.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, there's a lot of drivers and they sleep in their cars.
Wow, that's some real Uber driver commitment.
I bet Ronnie SPE TV does that. No, because you can't pay, or they'll stay in a motel, but like,
yeah.
Or they'll stay far away from the festival. You
don't want to pay more than like what you're gonna be making.
Yeah, but people say you can make $1,000 a day if you drive Coachella.
1,000 a day?
1,000 a day because it's so busy and the surge price is crazy.
Wow.
Yeah, but the traffic is gnarly. Like it gets backed up so bad. So you can get a ride and get stuck in it for like 2 hours.
Oh my god.
Because you're like trapped in the line. You really have to know the area so you don't go into the main road. You have to tell your passengers like, hey, I'm going to drop you off here. And they got to walk like an extra mile.
Oh, wow.
Which is kind of mean, but like at the same time, if you do cut in, you're going to be stuck in that line for like an hour. And you're going to make like $2. So you got to drop them off right outside. But yeah, that's these are the bonuses. It just depends where you live. If you live in a major city, yeah, you're going to get these huge bonuses. So in one night, you could probably, stack up, make an extra $100 just by clicking on all these things. Not clicking on them, but like driving it.
Yeah.
And your arrow's probably in that little white speck that doesn't have a surge. Uber loves to do that. Oh, so this person's theory is that they just put these all around you so that you have to drive. Oh, and another theory, guys, is that, like, look at this 925 one. Let's say you're over here. Like in the middle, you're going to drive to the left, and by the time you get there, it's gone.
Oh. I'm not surprised that would happen.
How crappy would that be? Somebody said a $45 trip. Comment below if you've ever driven for Coachella or any other music festivals or concerts. $45 trip for like 30 mins. Yeah, if you do 2 of those, that's $90 an hour. $10 tip too. Yeah, that's $55 total. And if you do 2 of those, because 30 minutes times 2 is 1 hour. That could be like $110. It's not bad.
Oh, wow.
In 1 hour.
That's really good.
That's how you hack. This is how you hack surge, guys.